In today's digital world, managing countless passwords can be a hassle. That's why you need the best password manager out there. Meet Dashlane, the security-first password manager for any device, browser, or platform. Dashlane isn't just about storing passwords. It's a powerhouse that lets you access your data from anywhere and seamlessly syncs across an unlimited number of devices. Organize and search your passwords and passkeys with ease. Experience convenience like never before. Dashlane autofills forms and credentials across all platforms. And with features like dark web monitoring, VPN for Wi-Fi protection, and real-time phishing alerts, your online security is always a priority. Dashlane goes beyond just password management. Use the password generator for strong passwords and rest easy knowing Dashlane encrypts all your data and continually scans for security threats. And here's something special for our viewers. Get 6 months of Dashlane Premium for free using the affiliate link in the description. This offer lets you enjoy all the premium features of the best-in-class password manager without any cost for half a year. Don't miss this chance to enhance your digital security and streamline your online experience. Click the link below and start your journey with Dashlane today. Thank you for watching.